Hi there and welcome to Crushit. Today we are going to try and crush a Capella bottle which are known to be pretty strong with water inside. Let's see what happens. What the flip? Oh my gosh. That increased in pressure so much and then it just ripped open. Wow. That was really impressive. I was not expecting that. It like turned it inside out. Like, oh wow. That is really impressive. Wow. It was like a water bomb but with a lot more pressure. Wow. That is pretty cool. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video.